Good morning and welcome to Moneyline Tips. I want to say congratulations to all winners yesterday. I want to share this with you today, a total of 30 odds. Let's get started. The first game we have here is in Faroe Island, where 5 Kingo is taking on T- HB at Toshan, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. The next one we have is still in that Faroe Island, where KI Kavsvik is taking on B36 Torzwan, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. The next one we have is in Northern Ireland, where Finhab is taking on KFC, and my prediction is both team to score. If you have not liked this video till this moment, like and share this video with your friends. So YouTube and Facebook will recommend it to you and others. Thank you so much. The next one we have is still in Northern Ireland, where Wexford is taking on Cork City FC, and my prediction is both teams to score. We have a game in international club friendly, where Strasbourg is taking on TSV 1860 Munich, and my prediction is both teams to score. The next game, which is the last game on this ticket we have, is in Uzbekistan, where PFK Metalurg is taking on Stockholm 2011, and my prediction is both teams to score. That gives us a total of 30 odds and 6 matches. And if you want to join our VIP and win daily, where we give you a show to us 5 to 20 odds on daily basis, chat me up on WhatsApp. My link is in the comment section. So go to the comment section and you see my WhatsApp link and you chat me up. Thank you so much. And then this is the booking code for those people using Sportybet. And then um, if you are not using Sportybet, kindly go to your own local bookie and select this game. Thank you so much for staying tuned, and then do not forget to share this video, and then like this video. If you have not subscribed or follow this Facebook page, kindly go ahead and follow so you won't miss any of our predictions that we share on our status. Thank you so much and have a lovely day.